A large stovepipe tornado touched down in China's most important port city of Guangzhou, Guangdong Province on June 16, 2022, causing major damage as it moved into downtown. According to reports, the scale of this tornado is very small. The Taiping No. 2 middle weather station, which is the closest to the tornado, about 700 meters, recorded a gust of level 6, which is equivalent to a wind speed of 12.6 meters per second. However, as it passed through a densely built area, the tornado still caused significant damage. The local streets were in a mess, some trees were uprooted by the roadside, and parked cars were hit. Branch tornadoes are carrying various odds and ends, swiftly came all the way. There are also electric sparks generated by the destruction of electrical equipment, which exploded in front of netizens, which is very dangerous.